In the last few years, artificial intelligence has gone from science fiction to the heart of our daily lives. It writes, it draws, it drives, and now it's reshaping how we invest. From Wall Street to small startups, AI is redefining what it means to build wealth. Think about it. Not long ago, people relied on gut feelings, market rumors, and human expertise. Today, machines can read millions of data points in seconds, analyze global trends, and make investment decisions faster than any human ever could. But here's the question: will this future make investing smarter or riskier than ever before? Is AI the secret weapon for building wealth, or just another bubble waiting to burst? Welcome to Vectorlog, where we decode money, markets, and the future of finance. AI investing isn't about robots randomly buying and selling stocks. It's about using data-driven models to make decisions that humans simply can't process fast enough. These systems are built on algorithms that learn from experience. The more data they consume, the smarter they become. Imagine this: you're an investor trying to track global markets, interest rates, company earnings, and political shifts. It's impossible to process it all manually. AI, however, can do it effortlessly, spotting patterns and connections invisible to the human eye. Instead of relying purely on instincts, AI investors use machine learning to analyze billions of data points, stock prices, financial statements, news articles, even tweets. With each new dataset, the AI learns how markets behave, helping it predict future movements with increasing accuracy. And it's not just for big institutions anymore. From individual investors to fintech startups, AI-powered investment platforms are now accessible to everyone, bringing Wall Street-level intelligence to your smartphone. But to understand how far we've come, let's take a quick look back. The story of AI in investing began decades ago. In the 1980s, quant funds started using mathematical models to predict stock performance. These early systems didn't use modern machine learning, they relied on equations and assumptions built by human analysts. Then came high-frequency trading in the 2000s, where algorithms executed thousands of trades per second. For the first time, machines were not just helping traders, they were the traders. But the real transformation began after 2010. Machine learning, natural language processing, and big data changed everything. Computers could now learn from history, adapt to real-time conditions, and even interpret human sentiment. Today's AI doesn't just crunch numbers, it reads emotions. It analyzes social media, scans news headlines, and gauges public mood. A single tweet can trigger market movements, and AI systems are trained to catch those signals before humans can even react. So, how does AI actually decide where to invest? It all starts with data, the fuel that powers every algorithm. Financial data, economic reports, company performance metrics, interest rates, consumer spending patterns, and more. Once that data is gathered, AI models start looking for patterns, connections that might indicate cause and effect. For example, if oil prices rise, airline profits might fall. If global shipping demand increases, steel production might go up. The AI doesn't stop there. It tests these relationships against past data, what analysts call backtesting. If the model's predictions hold up historically, the algorithm becomes part of a live trading strategy. When deployed, AI systems monitor markets continuously, making adjustments in milliseconds, executing trades automatically, and learning from the outcomes. Some hedge funds now run entirely on AI decision-making, with minimal human input. AI is already deeply embedded in the financial world. Robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront use AI to create personalized investment plans based on your income, age, and goals. Large hedge funds like Renaissance Technologies or Citadel use complex algorithms to execute trades worth billions of dollars daily. Even traditional banks use AI for credit scoring, fraud detection, and portfolio management. AI models can detect unusual spending behavior, catch financial fraud in real time, and optimize loan approvals with near-perfect accuracy. For the everyday investor, this means more reliable insights, fewer human errors, and access to strategies that were once limited to the elite few. One of AI's greatest strengths lies in predictive analytics, the art of forecasting the future. By analyzing past data, AI can often identify trends before they happen. It can detect when a sector is heating up, when consumer interest is shifting, or when a particular company might outperform. For instance, AI might notice a surge in online discussions about renewable energy before traditional analysts even publish their reports. AI systems could already start recommending investments in solar or battery companies. It's not perfect. No machine can predict every crisis, crash, or black swan event, but AI can significantly improve accuracy and timing compared to traditional analysis. This predictive power gives investors an incredible edge, allowing them to act on insights that human analysts might take weeks to uncover. But this raises an important debate. Can machines truly replace human intuition? While AI is fast and logical, it lacks creativity, empathy, and judgment. Human investors can understand complex narratives, like how a company's leadership might inspire long-term trust, or how social values could shift markets in unexpected ways. AI doesn't feel emotions, but markets are built on them: fear, greed, optimism, and panic. These are deeply human reactions that still drive financial decisions every day. That's why experts believe the future isn't about choosing between humans and AI. It's about combining both the speed and precision of AI with the wisdom and adaptability of human investors. It's a partnership: logic and emotion, data and instinct, working together to shape the future of wealth. But let's not ignore the darker side of this revolution. AI investing comes with risks. Algorithms are only as good as the data they retrained on, and if that data is biased or incomplete, their decisions can go wrong fast. In 2010, the US stock market experienced the flash crash, where algorithmic trades caused prices to plummet within minutes, wiping out nearly $1 trillion in market value before quickly recovering. That event proved one thing: even the smartest machines can spiral out of control if not properly monitored. Another issue is overfitting, where AI models become too good at predicting the past but fail in new real-world situations. When markets behave unexpectedly, like during pandemics or political upheavals, AI systems can make disastrous mistakes. Regulations are still struggling to keep up, leaving open questions about accountability. If an AI-driven fund causes losses, who's responsible? The developer, the user, or the algorithm itself? Nowhere is AI's impact more visible or more unpredictable than in the world of cryptocurrency. Crypto markets run 24/7, making them the perfect playground for AI. Bots analyze social media sentiment, scan blockchain data, and predict short-term price movements with astonishing speed. But while AI brings efficiency, it also amplifies volatility. When thousands of trading bots react simultaneously to the same signal, price swings can become extreme. Still, AI in crypto investing is growing fast, with new models tracking on-chain data, token utility, and even NFT valuations. For investors, that means incredible opportunities, but also immense risk. Now, let's shift to one of the most promising frontiers: personalized AI investing. Imagine logging into your app and seeing a portfolio designed entirely for you: your income, your goals, your risk comfort, even your habits. AI analyzes your financial behavior, spending patterns, and long-term dreams, then creates a living investment strategy that adapts as your life evolves. Lose your job? It'll adjust automatically. Get a raise? It'll recommend higher-yield investments. Companies like Charles Schwab and Fidelity are already using AI to personalize financial advice at scale, something that would have required hundreds of human advisors just a decade ago. This is the democratization of wealth intelligence systems, helping ordinary people make smarter financial choices. But the rise of AI investing also brings moral and ethical questions. Who gets access to the best algorithms? The wealthy few or everyone? How do we prevent manipulation of AI systems that influence markets worth trillions? Transparency is another challenge. Some AI models are black boxes. Even their creators can fully explain why they make certain decisions. That makes accountability difficult when large sums are at stake. Global regulators are working to create frameworks for ethical AI use in finance, focusing on fairness, transparency, and data protection. But like any powerful tool, AI's impact depends on how we use it. In the right hands, it can level the playing field. In the wrong ones, it can deepen inequality. Artificial intelligence is not the end of human investing, it's the evolution of it. In the right hands, AI can make wealth creation smarter, faster, and more accessible than ever before. But it also reminds us of one timeless truth. No matter how advanced our machines become, human wisdom and judgment will always have a place. Because behind every line of code, behind every algorithm, there's still a human dream, the pursuit of a better financial future. The future of wealth isn't man or machine, it's both, working together. Thanks for watching Vectorlog. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone curious about the future of money. Stay curious, because the next big shift in investing might not come from Wall Street. It might come from a line of code.